Okay, so I've got the DiNovo Edge keyboard here. So let's open this. Let's see. Mac Edition. Trackpad. Notice it has a front row button. Oh good, they got rid of the obnoxious red in the back. Looking. Here we have the AC adapter. I'm not going to open that right now. There's our software. So here we have a cleaning cloth, which says DiNovo on it. A keyboard user manual, and let's see here. This is the charger. Goes right like that to charge. It's designed to go with the MX Revolution, which I have right over here. My old Apple wireless keyboard, which is gonna go now. Okay, so we got it all set up. I have the trackpad right here, and you can tap to click, or you can actually press the click button. I found what's interesting is this is actually a clicking button too. This little mouse right here. Here are the iTunes controls. Or the display up and down. This is all these are all the same standard things. This here opens mail. This here opens shop. That's Spaces. Final Cut Pro, I programmed that. And here's Spotlight Search. See, it controls the Z Cinema as well as the Creative X mode. I'm right now using the MX Revolution, but I can also use the Microsoft Explorer mouse. That actually works really well with it too. I'm using that on my MacBook Pro with the Mighty Mouse. Next unboxing will probably be, oh gosh, I don't know. Maybe next serve.